it's the Haitian Heritage Month, and so we decided to bring everybody together, let each other know what's happening in the community, how we can connect, and build a community together and learn from each other.
Happy to be here celebrating Haitian Heritage Month. My name is Miriam. Shublak is my restaurant, and like I said, I'm happy that they chose to have this event here.
Most of the time, people said Haitian don't support others. Do you still believe in that?
No, I don't believe in that because everybody in this room is Haitian and some of us are in the same business line and we are all supporting each other. Now we know that if there's something that we need, we can call someone.